In this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your funds in your ByBit exchange account. Alright, if you don't have a ByBit account, just check in the description section, use the first link to create your ByBit account, or you can check in the comment section, use the first link also to create your account. So this is episode 5 of Crypto for Beginners. Alright, if you have not watched the episode 4, kindly check the episode 4 where I explained how you can create and verify your ByBit account in less than 5 minutes. So when you log into your ByBit account, this is what you are going to see. You are not going to see verify now because you will have already verified your account. Okay, this is just a tutorial. I have bought my other ByBit account. So you just come into this top where you see this avatar, where you see this one. Okay, then you are going to see what security. You are going to see invite friends, sub account, and the more trading. So our focus is going to be on what security. You need to keep your phone safe, all right, before ever you try to what deposit money into your ByBit exchange account. So you are going to tab in security. Now you can see our security level is very low. So there are different forms of security that are available here. First of all, you can use what your email. You have to set up your mobile number, your phone what password as well for you to withdraw money from the ByBit exchange. All right, you need to what set up your phone, which we are going to do, and also Google two-factor authentication app. As I mentioned earlier, there are some basic tools which you need. You can watch episode 2 to know the tools that are required to start a cryptocurrency trading. All right, as a beginner. So the first thing is now, if you use the method of opening your email, you have already connected your email. All right, if you use your phone number, your mobile number will also be connected. So now let's say we want to what connect our mobile number to our ByBit exchange. So you just type in what mobile. All right, so when you type in mobile, you are going to wait, you see success. So we are going to set our what mobile number. So verification code sent to your email. So now we are going to check our email. All right, let me just try to use my other phone. We are going to check our email to receive what the code that is being sent. Just hold on, let me just check my email. Yeah, all right, so let me just open my email. I'm going to check my email now, and after we are going to enter the code. You just enter the code. All right, so this is the code. The code is now here. So the code is 968666. All right, so now you see we have entered our code. Make sure you stay with your email. You can use your phone. So now you select your country. All right, now I'm a Sierra Leonean but based in Turkey, so I'll just enter Turkey. Okay, I'll just type what Turkey. Now you can see this is our country code, and I'm just going to enter my number. I've already connected my number to the ByBit exchange account. All right, my real account. This one is just for tutorial. So let's say this is my number. So you are going to receive a verification code, all right, by your phone number you have entered. So you just type in receive verification code. You enter the code that you receive from your phone number, and your phone number is now being connected to your ByBit account. That's one extra layer of what security. The next one is what your phone password. If you want to withdraw money, definitely you are going to enter this phone password. So you type in what setup. So please enter your phone password. Now you must follow these 4 criteria, all right, if you want to set up your phone password. The first one is the password must be between 8 to 30 characters, all right, and at least one lowercase letter, which means small letter, and at least one uppercase letter, capital letter, and one number from 0 to 9. So let's say I want to enter this one. So let's say I just want to enter this one. So you see, let me just show you guys. So I will enter again the same one. You repeat the same number. Okay, so you can see this is the number. Both of them are the same. You see we have uppercase letter, all right, lowercase letter, we have numbers. All right, then you type in what? Confirm. Then you are going again to your email. They are going to send you another email again, so which you must confirm. All right, everything is about your email. So you must go to your email, enter the code that is being sent. So the code is 681317. Then you type in what? Confirm. So you say incorrect verification code. So let me just check again. Okay, 333384. So you type in again. So now you see, now we have what? Our phone password is being what? Configured. Okay, so this is also going to show the same thing. Okay, for your mobile number, if you enter the code, the SMS code, all right, the 6 digits that is being sent to your phone is going to show configured. So which means we are done with this particular area. The next thing you need to do is what? To connect your Google two-factor authentication. All right, so what you are going to do now, you see the security level here is what? Medium, right? You see it was low, but now it's medium, which means we can do more to protect your funds. So the next thing you are going to do now is you type in what? Google two-factor authentication. You just type in this one to turn this one on. Okay, you just type in to turn this particular one on, and you drag this slide to fit in this particular box, this puzzle. All right, now you say success, verification code sent to your email. So everything is about email. So let's check the verification code that is being sent to our email. So it is what? 680938. All right, so now please install Google Authenticator app on your phone. So to continue, we don't have, so you can just go to what? Will you copy this link? Okay, when you copy this key, all right, next you get what? The code. You install. All right, make sure you install the Google Authenticator app. So you go to Play Store if you are using Android, or you go to App Store if you are using iOS. Just say Google Authenticator. All right, so this is it. So you are just going to tab in here and what? You install. All right, you install the Google Authenticator app. After, you are going to what? Paste this code that you have copied. All right, let me just download this and show you guys. So this is what you are going to do. This is so easy. All right, if you set up this now, you tab in open, you tab in get started. All right, so do you want to continue with this? Or you can say use without an account. You can just what? For now, let me just use without an account. So you say what? Add code. I just want to show you. So now you enter. So now you see, you can say what? ByBit. Let's say you say ByBit. All right, code. This is what you are going to name it. Then you just type in, you paste this key. So you see now, then you type in what? Add. Okay, you just type in what? Add. So let me just type in add. So now you see, so now we are going back. Now we have set up this particular one. You see, after every 5 seconds, this one is changing. So let's go back to our what? ByBit account. You are going to what? Enter this code. Okay, you are going to what? Enter this code in your ByBit exchange account. Just a minute, let me show you guys again. Let me just show you this, guys. So we have set up all these ones. So the two-factor authentication and everything. So they said we must enter the email, all right, just because we have started all over again. But you are going to copy, all right, you are going to copy what? This code from your Google Authenticator app, and you just add. All right, you are just going to copy and you just what? Add. So let's see this. You tab in here and you say now you enter. So go to your email because we are starting. So you go to your email and you just enter the code that is being sent. Okay, so now we say 636194. You enter this, then you continue. All right, so you copy this key, but make sure you must have downloaded already this app. After watching this video, make sure you download the app, so it's going to be easy for you. Just copy this key now and you say next and you enter the code. Okay, after you have copied this, you paste this one in what? The Google Authenticator app. So you see it changes every what? 5 seconds. So guys, basically this is how you set in your secure your ByBit fund. Okay, this is how you secure your ByBit fund. Alright, so if you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out and respond. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to deposit fund in your ByBit account. Alright, and I'm going to explain more about ByBit and everything. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, please, if you have not. If you find this video beneficial, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe, like this video, share this video to others, and drop something very amazing in the comment. You can also join our Telegram community using the link in the description section. Thanks so much, guys. Peace and light. See you on my upcoming videos. Thank you.